You are most welcome and thanks for watching. And the question is, how fast could you solve for x? We can have our response as we have x power 4, the same as having x power 2 multiplied by x power 2 divided by 2 multiplied by x power 2, which is equal to 2. We see that we have this one common. One of them we should cancel. One should cancel the other. So this and this, they are going to cancel, such that we have x squared divided by 2, which is equal to 2. The next step, what we are going to do, we are going to cross multiply this with that, and then this with that, implying that we are going to have x squared equals to the 2 multiplied by 2. So we have x squared equals to positive 4. Then this step, we are going to take the square root on both sides. So we have x squared, which is equal to 4, take the square root, then we take the square root. And immediately after introducing the square root, we have to put a plus or minus, because the square root of any positive real number is either positive or negative. Such that we have this and that 2 cancelling, and we remain with x on the left hand side equals to the plus or minus the square root of 4. We know very well that 4 is a square number, which is the same as 2 multiplied by 2 to give us 4. Or the same as negative 2 multiplied by negative 2 to give us 4. Implying that the square root of 4 is giving us the value of x as being positive or negative 2. Therefore, x equals to negative 2, and still x can be equal to 2. So this becomes our right answers, but not x equals to 0. Thanks for watching.